To fix the issue of Robinhood not letting you trade options, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Robinhood account and have enabled options trading. If you have not, log into your account and go to the account settings. Then click on Investing and look for the options trading section. If you do not see this, contact Robinhood support. Next, check your account for any restrictions. Robinhood may restrict options trading if your account balance is too low or if you have not completed the necessary paperwork. Make sure your account balance meets the minimum requirement and that you have submitted all required documents. Then, verify your options trading level. Robinhood has different levels of options trading, ranging from level 1 to level 3. Each level requires you to meet certain criteria, such as having a minimum account balance or completing a trading quiz. If you are not at the level required for the options trade you want to make, you will need to upgrade your level. Another reason Robinhood may not let you trade options is if your account is restricted due to pattern day trading rules. If you have made multiple day trades in a short period, your account may be restricted for a certain period. Wait for the restriction to lift or contact Robinhood support for assistance. Additionally, check for any maintenance or technical issues on Robinhood's end. Sometimes the platform may be experiencing technical difficulties, preventing you from trading options. Try logging out and back in or checking the Robinhood status page for any updates. Finally, consider contacting Robinhood support directly. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to their support team for assistance. They can help you identify the problem and provide guidance on how to fix it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and start trading options on Robinhood again.